If you are driving in a foggy weather condition and visibility is severely limited, what should you do? A. Turn on high beam headlights and drive faster. B. Use low beam headlights and reduce speed. C. Use parking lights only. D. Drive on the shoulder until visibility improves. Answer: B. In fog, low beams improve visibility and reduce glare. Reducing speed ensures better reaction time. When may you legally pass another vehicle on the right? A. When the vehicle is making a left turn. B. On a one-lane bridge. C. On a two-lane rural road with no shoulder. D. When you're being tailgate. Answer: A. You may only pass on the right if the vehicle ahead is turning left and there is enough room without driving off the road. A flashing red traffic signal at an intersection means: A. Proceed with caution. B. Yield to cross traffic. C. Stop completely, then proceed when safe. D. Stop only if other traffic is present. Answer: C. A flashing red light means a full stop, just like a stop sign, and you must yield before proceeding. What is the correct hand signal for a left turn? A. Left arm straight out. B. Left arm bent upward. C. Left arm bent downward. D. Right arm straight out. Answer: A. A left arm extended straight out signals a left turn to other drivers. Hydroplaning occurs when: A. Tires are overinflated. B. Your tires lose contact with the road due to water. C. You drive slowly in snow. D. Engine fluid leaks onto the road. Answer: B. Hydroplaning happens when water builds between tires and the road, reducing traction and steering control. You are involved in a minor crash with a parked vehicle and you can't locate the owner. What must you do? A. Leave your name and address on the parked vehicle. B. Drive away quickly to avoid blocking traffic. C. Wait in your car for the owner. D. Report it only if the vehicle was damaged badly. Answer: A. If you hit an unattended vehicle, you must leave a note with your contact information and report the incident if required. What is the 3-second rule used for? A. Counting seconds at a stop sign. B. Following a vehicle at a safe distance. C. Waiting before merging. D. Timing how long a red light lasts. Answer: B. The 3-second rule ensures a safe following distance in normal driving conditions. If a school bus is stopped on a 2-lane road with flashing red lights, what must you do? A. Proceed cautiously. B. Stop only if you're behind the bus. C. Stop in both directions until lights stop flashing. D. Slow down and honk before passing. Answer: C. All vehicles must stop from both directions when a school bus has flashing red lights on a 2-lane road. You must use your headlights between: A. 30 minutes after sunrise and 30 minutes before sunset. B. 30 minutes after sunset and 30 minutes before sunrise. C. Only during foggy conditions. D. 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Answer: B. Headlights must be used from 30 minutes after sunset to 30 minutes before sunrise or in poor visibility conditions. When approaching a roundabout, you must: A. Stop before entering. B. Yield to vehicles inside the roundabout. C. Speed up to merge. D. Always use hand signals. Answer: B. Vehicles inside the roundabout have the right of way. Yield upon entering and proceed when safe. If your vehicle begins to skid on a slippery road, you should: A. Brake hard and steer opposite. B. Steer in the direction you want the front of the car to go. C. Accelerate to regain traction. D. Turn off the ignition immediately. Answer: B. Steer gently in the direction you want the vehicle to go. Avoid sudden movements. What is the legal limit of blood alcohol concentration, BAC, for drivers under 21? A. 0.08%. B. 0.05%. C. 0.01%. D. 0.1%. Answer: C. Most states enforce zero-tolerance laws for underage drinking. Any detectable BAC, usually greater than or equal to 0.01%, is illegal. What should you do when another vehicle is tailgating you? A. Slam on your brakes. B. Increase your following distance. C. Speed up to create space. D. Pull over and confront the driver. Answer: B. Creating space in front gives you more room to stop gradually and reduces the chance of a rear-end collision. When is it legal to turn left at a red light? A. When turning from any road. B. From a one-way street onto another one-way street. C. From a two-way street. D. Only on Sundays. Answer: B. A left turn on red is only allowed from a one-way street onto another one-way street after stopping, if no sign prohibits it. Which of these increases your chances of hydroplaning? A. Driving slower. B. Underinflated tires. C. Worn tire treads. D. Driving in a higher gear. Answer: C. Worn tires can't channel water away effectively, leading to increased hydroplaning risk. When backing up your vehicle, you should: A. Rely solely on mirrors. B. Use your rear view camera. C. Turn your head and look through the rear window. D. Honk continuously. Answer: C. Always turn and look directly through the rear window while backing up for maximum visibility. When merging onto a freeway, you should: A. Stop at the end of the ramp. B. Accelerate to match traffic speed. C. Enter at a low speed to avoid collisions. D. Expect others to yield. Answer: B. You should match the speed of freeway traffic to merge smoothly and safely. If two vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled intersection at the same time, who has the right of way? A. The larger vehicle. B. The vehicle on the left. C. The vehicle on the right. D. The faster vehicle. Answer: C. At uncontrolled intersections, the vehicle on the right has the legal right of way. What does a solid yellow line on your side of the center line mean? A. You may not pass. B. Passing is allowed with caution. C. You may pass if no cars are coming. D. You may turn left at any time. Answer: A. A solid yellow line on your side prohibits passing. How far ahead should you scan the road while driving in city traffic? A. 3 seconds. B. 5 seconds. C. 8 to 10 seconds. D. 20 seconds. Answer: C. Looking 8 to 10 seconds ahead helps you spot hazards early and plan safe actions. You are driving behind a motorcycle. What is the minimum following distance? A. 1 car length. B. 2 seconds. C. 3 to 4 seconds. D. Same as with any other vehicle. Answer: C. Motorcycles stop more quickly than cars, giving 3 to 4 seconds of space is safer. What is the penalty for refusing to take a blood alcohol test if requested by law enforcement? A. Small fine only. B. Automatic suspension of license. C. Points on driving record. D. Mandatory driving test. Answer: B. Refusing a chemical test usually results in automatic license suspension under implied consent laws. When a traffic signal is blacked out due to a power failure, you should: A. Proceed at full speed. B. Treat the intersection like a four-way stop. C. Wait until the light comes back. D. Turn around. Answer: B. When signals aren't working, treat the intersection as a four-way stop and proceed with caution. You must dim your high-beam headlights within how many feet of an oncoming vehicle? A. 200 feet. B. 300 feet. C. 500 feet. D. 1,000 feet. Answer: C. High beams must be dimmed within 500 feet of oncoming traffic to avoid blinding other drivers. The basic speed law states: A. You must drive at the posted speed limit at all times. B. You may never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. C. You must drive 5 miles per hour under the limit in bad weather. D. You may drive 10 miles per hour over the limit to pass. Answer: B. Even if the speed limit is 55 miles per hour, you must slow down if weather or traffic conditions make it unsafe to drive that fast.